Good afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Eccles. You'll find me here today on a lovely quiet cul-de-sac. We are over on Ivory Close in the desirable Peel Green area. So I've got a 3-bedroom semi-detached property to show you, complete with downstairs guest WC, open plan, kitchen diner and a lovely lounge across the back of the property. Got 3 bedrooms to the first floor, complemented by the family bathroom suite. Lovely garden, and if you did see as I was coming in, we've got off-road parking for multiple cars to the front, along with an electric charging point. So we've just come through the entrance hallway, got the bathroom now on my right, into the kitchen diner, positioned to the front of the property. Plenty of space down the bottom to add in a table. And obviously we've utilised the storage as best as we can in here. But plenty of work surface space, along with your cabinets. Storage tucked away beneath the stairs there. And then on through to this lovely bright lounge, which leads you straight through on to the rear garden, which does get the sun in the afternoon. It's got a nice lawn, planted borders, and obviously your paved patio. There is gated access back to the front of the property, so really easy access for like your bikes, obviously taking your bins out. And we'll head up to the first floor. So 3 generously sized bedrooms, as I mentioned, complemented by the family bathroom suite. Further storage once again, lovely and bright in the master bedroom with your 2 windows. And then on down the hallway to the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. Got your shower above the tub here. And these 2 rooms now overlooking the rear garden. It's a lovely quiet cul-de-sac location. We are over in Peel Green, as I mentioned. Excellently located in regards to your transport links. We've got fab local schools, all of which are within walking distance. And motorway links just a stone's throw from where we are. This is a fabulous first time purchase. Getting yourself onto the property ladder. But equally a lovely family home. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing, please do give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.